What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tara, and Move It Monday is back in effect. Let's do the damn thing. There's my pie, y'all, in the freezer. Frozen. Waiting for me to get off the punch. Hey y'all, just finished my workout and I'm feeling really good right about now. I was real disappointed in myself on yesterday for my weigh-in when I saw that I had gained a pound, because I knew I wasn't going to be done lost, because I knew I had messed up throughout that week. I hadn't really done like I was supposed to. But Miss Angel told me to get right back up and try again, and that is exactly what I'm doing. Thank you, Miss Angel, for your encouragement. I truly appreciate it, and I truly want to follow through with this Get in Shape, y'all. I started it, I gotta follow through with it. I don't want to disappoint y'all, and mainly I don't want to disappoint myself, because I was on the right track when I started, so I gotta stay on the right track. And y'all can see my pineapple pie is still in the freezer, and so I'm just waiting. I'm feeling really good already about this next weigh-in that's coming. I added this stuff to my shake. It's called MCT oil. It's been in my refrigerator. I forgot that I had it. I bought it at Ross a while back, and I don't remember what it's good for, but I got it, and it's oil, so it might make stuff just slide right on there. So I put it in my smoothie. So I did good with my eating today. I didn't take anything to work with me because I was running late this morning. Yeah, I really didn't have nothing at work that was healthy. So I basically drank water, I drank some juice, and I ate crackers. I'm really not feeling that hungry right about now. I don't know if it's the workout, but I was feeling hungry earlier. But this smoothie should do me just fine. I know it's got the same stuff in it. So I'm gonna eat my smoothie. I'm moving Monday. Back in effect. We did that. Thank y'all so much for your encouraging words. Thank y'all for watching this video. And I will see you on the next one. See you.